So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So again I am coming with another fantastic question, right? What is the question? Minus 3 raised to x equal to 27. Now lot of people when see this kind of question they will say this is impossible. Why? Because if I put minus 3 raised to 1 then answer will be minus 3. If I put minus 3 raised to 2 answer will be plus 9. If I put minus 3 raised to 3 then answer will be minus 27, right? But here I have 27, and if I put minus 3 raised to 4 then answer will be 81. So lot of people will say that this is impossible, right? Because there is no any value which will I get for this minus 3 raised to x is equal to 27, right? So is this irrelevant question? Means is it invalid equation? The answer is no. We will get answer in this question, right? Why? Because as you will see that as I put 1 2 3 instead of x, the answer will be 9 minus 27 81 etc, right? But we can say that much that x equal to x cannot be an integer value. This is true. X cannot be integer value. We have seen that, right? Because if I put minus 3 raised to 3 then answer will be minus 27. Plus 27 is not possible in this case, but still we will get value which is not integer, so we will get complex value, right? If I talk about complex form, and we will get answer in the complex form. So let me tell you about the complex method. By the use of that method we will get answer for this question, right? So first of all, if I draw this graph, right, real images, and here I have imaginary numbers, right? Real number and imaginary number. First of all, if I talk about minus 3, I can represent as minus 3 plus 0i, right, in complex form, right? So and if I want to represent minus 3 in this axis, then this will be on left hand side, right? Because this will negative number and this here will be positive number. So first of all, if I talk about argument, what will be the argument of minus 3, right? The argument will be pi, right? Argument will be pi. And if I talk about r, right, if I talk about r, pay attention, if I talk about r, then our value will be r equal to 3. R equal to minus 3 is not possible because r is always has to be positive, right? It is the normally distance from origin to that number, right? This will be 3. I hope you got it, right? So now if I want to represent this in complex form, then z equal to r into e raised to iota theta is a form. So z equal to, as I said, minus 3, r equal to 3, e raised to iota pi, right? I can also represent pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, right? Because this is true for every multiple of pi, right? So if I add 2 pi here, if I complete one circle, which means I will add 2 pi, so it will become 3 pi, another circle 5 pi. So every multiple of 2 pi is true for this equation, right? So minus 3 equal to 3 into e raised to iota pi is valid for minus 3, right? So I hope you got it. And now if I talk about 27, right, if I talk about 27, and if I want to write down 27 in complex form, then 27 will be around here, right? Then the argument will be 0. Obviously argument will be 0, or you can say 2 pi, or you can say 4 pi, right? Because 0 complete one circle, 2 pi complete another, 4 pi, so it will be again multiple of 2 pi, right? So and r equal to obviously 27. As I said, this is the distance from origin to that point. So 27 into e raised to iota 2 pi n, right? Because I will represent here 2 pi n. This is the multiple of 2 pi. So I hope you got it via how I have written minus 3 equal to 3 into iota e raised to iota pi, and 27 equal to 27 into e raised to iota 2 pi n I. Okay. So now we will put these two value in this equation. So instead of minus 3, I will put 3 into e raised to iota pi raised to x. Instead of 27, I will put 27 into e raised to 2 pi n iota. And obviously n is belongs to z, right? Because it is integer, negative, 0 and also positive. This is normally integer value. So now how we will solve this question? Obviously one method is by taking logarithm both the side, right? It will be very easy to solve. Raised to x ln 27 into e raised to 2 pi n iota. Agree? So now according to property, x will come here, x into ln 3 into e raised to iota pi. Same way, here I have ln 27 into e raised to 2 pi and iota. It is a form of ln AB. So I can write ln A plus ln B. So I can write this as ln 27 plus ln e raised to 2 pi and iota. Agree? So x as it is. Again, this is simple form ln AB. So I can write ln 3 plus ln e raised to iota pi, ln 27 as it is, plus here I have 2 pi and iota which will come here, right? And value of ln e is always equal to 1, right? So our only answer will be 2 pi and iota. Same way, x into ln 3 plus iota pi will come here and ln e is 1. So ln 27 plus 2 pi and iota will be as it is. So what will be the answer of x? The answer of x will be ln 27 plus 2 pi and iota divided by ln 3 plus iota pi. This is the final value of x, right? So now if you pay attention in this solution, right, this is our final answer, right? By the way, this is our final answer, but now pay attention. This is now main concept start from here. If you put n equal to 0 here, and this part is also not here, right? So our answer will be only x equal to ln 27 by ln 3. In 27 I can write 3 raised to 3, so 3 will come here, so 3 into ln 3 divided by ln 3, ln 3 will get cancelled out, so x equal to 3 will be our answer. But if I put 3 here, then minus 3 raised to 3 I will get minus 27, right? So that's why it is not 0. That's why we have to consider complex part, right? But if I put n equal to 0 here, pay attention, this will be very little bit interesting. If I put n equal to 0 here, right, n equal to 0, then x equal to ln 27 divided by ln 3 plus iota pi, right? Now if I take factorization, right, so if I multiply by ln 3 minus iota pi both in numerator and denominator, then what will happen? Pay attention, this will become ln 27 into ln 3 minus ln 27 into into iota pi, right? And into division, ln 3 square plus pi square, right? Why? Because iota square will become minus, and minus will become plus, right? So you can say here this is also our answer, and you can also write this denominator as a different denominator, right? ln 27 ln 3 by this minus ln 27 into iota pi by this, right? So as I said, this is very conceptual question, but our final answer will be this, right? It is in generalized form, and if you want to put n equal to 0, then this will be our answer. This is very interesting question, right? So I hope you got it. And as I said, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.